Hello everyone, today I am going to show you a new method using which you can multiply any two numbers. For example, if you want to multiply 23 into 48. First of all, you have to draw a rectangular box. Here two numbers are there. One of the number is 23 which has two digits 2 and 3. So I am going to write here 23. And another number is 48. I am going to write 48 here. Now see, 23 has two digits. So I'll divide this box into two parts. "48", it has also two digits. So I'm going to divide it into two parts. Next, what we'll do, we'll divide these boxes into two equal parts. Like here is a point, here is a point. I'm going to join them using a line segment. Next, I'm going to join these 2 points using a line segment. And next, we are going to join these 2 points by using a line segment. Now see, all these boxes are divided into two parts. See, here is 3 and here is 4. We are going to multiply 3 and 4 here. 3 into 4 is how much? 12. So I am going to write here 12. Two blank spaces are there. Here is 1 and here is 2. 12. Now 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is how much? 8. Two blank spaces are there. But I have only one digit, that is 8. So how I'll write it? 0, 8. Now here is 8, here is 3. 8 into 3 is how much? 24. So I'll write here 24. Now 8 and 2. 8 into 2 is how much? 16. So I'm going to write here 16. Now we have written the numbers in all these boxes. Our next step is we'll add these numbers. Here 4 is written, so I have written here 4. Now we'll add these numbers and we are going to write here 2 plus 2 is how much? 4 plus 6 is 10. So I'm going to write here 0 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 8 is how much? 10. Plus 1 is 11. So I am going to write here 1 and 1 carry. 1 plus 0 is how much? 1. So I am going to write here 1. So here we have got 1104. So 23 into 48 is 1104. Let us take one more example. If it is asked to multiply a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number, if it is given to multiply 283 by 57, how we'll do it? By using the same method. First of all, we'll make a rectangular box. Here your first number is 283. So I am going to write here 283. Next number is 57. We'll multiply by 57. So I am going to write here 57. 283. It has how many digits? 3 digits. So I am going to divide this box into 3 parts. In this side 57 is there. 57 has how many digits? 2 digits. So again I am going to divide this box into 2 parts. And now we are going to divide these boxes into 2 equal parts by joining these 2 points and these 2 points. And here also we'll join these 2 points. And here also we'll join these 2 points. Now see, all these boxes are divided into 2 parts. Here is 5, here is 3. 5 into 3 is how much? 15. So I'll write here 15. 1, 5. 5 into 8 is how much? 40. So we are going to write here 40. 5 into 2 is 10. So we are going to write here 10. 7 into 3 is how much? 21. So I am going to write here 21. 7 into 8 is 56. So here is 56. 7 into 2 is how much? 14. So I am going to write here 14. Now we have filled all these boxes. Our next step is to add them. Here only 1 is there. So I am going to write here 1. Here 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 6 is 13. So I am going to write here 3 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 4 is how much? 11. So I am going to write here 1 and 1 carry. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 1 is how much? 6. And here is 1. So how much we have got here? 1, 6, 1, 3, 1. So 283 into 57 is 16,131. And this method of multiplication is called as lattice method. By using this method, you can multiply any 2 numbers. Here I have multiplied a 2-digit number by 2-digit number and a 3-digit number by 2-digit number. If you want, you can multiply a 3-digit number by 3-digit number, a 3-digit number by 4-digit number. You can multiply any 2 numbers by using this method.